Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable full screen photo for incoming calls on iPhone, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now what you want to do is go to your contacts, and after this you're going to click, for example, at the top right here, new contact, and you're going to create a new contact here. Something down. First, you want to add a phone number, and now to edit that full screen photo, you're gonna need to edit this contact poster. So you want to, of course, add a photo of that person by clicking right here on photos. So I'm just gonna add a random photo for this video, but basically, as you can see, you can edit everything. For the full screen photo to be when the call is incoming, you're just gonna go to your settings. After this, you're gonna scroll down until you see phone. You're gonna click on that. And now, as you can see, there's incoming call, so you're just gonna click on that. And there's a banner or full screen, you're gonna choose full screen. So yeah, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.